Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my first impressions on this new to me Pattern Beauty treatment mask. So I picked this up during Black Friday and I recently posted my Black Friday haul, so make sure you guys check it out if you haven't already. Having high porosity hair, my hair needs like medium strength protein treatments on a monthly basis. And I just have not had much luck finding a lot of good protein treatments. So when they were having their 30% off Black Friday sale, I was like, this is the perfect time to try out this mask. I was actually between this one and the anti-breakage or barrier something mask. I'll put up the picture. But this one seemed like the true protein treatment. The other one seemed more like a moisture protein balance deep conditioner for when you're transitioning between styles. So this one I am very excited about. Okay, so just to give you guys some background info on this treatment mask, it says that it's formulated for coilies and tight textures when your hair needs a spa day. Okay, so that's what I'm doing today. I have not pampered my hair in a long time, okay? And I know it looks pretty decent, so you guys are probably like, AK, what are you talking about? Between work, the holidays, trying to film, I feel like I just have not prioritized the health of my hair as of late. I've not done a protein treatment for the month of November, and now we're in December, the end of December. So actually it's been like 2 months and I haven't done a protein treatment. So this one is really going to be put to the test today. But as far as the description, it says historic curl traditions come to new life with our rice water treatment mask. Luxurious in feel and powerful in performance, this mask delivers slip, curl elongation, and definition to coils. Okay. Formulated with rice water ferment and moringa seed extract in a nod to ancestral at-home remedies. Your hair will be left hydrated, silky, and pampered, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. Okay, so you know the claims aren't too crazy. It's really just saying to like rejuvenate your hair, pamper your hair, give you some slip, moisture. As far as the ingredients, the main ingredient, as you guys heard already, is fermented rice water. It's within the first 5 ingredients, and that's what makes me feel like this is a true protein treatment, because when the protein is higher up, the more concentrated it is. The ingredients list is actually pretty short. It's not super long, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. All right, so prep work. I pre-pooed my hair overnight. I ran out of coconut oil, so I've been using the Camille Rose, what is that oil? I can't think of the name. Oh my goodness, why am I drawing a blank? The oil that stopped working for my scalp because they reformulated it, but now it works on my hair. So I've been using that because it has coconut oil in it, and I've been trying to just like use it up. So before repurchasing coconut oil, I just want to like finish that bottle. I shampooed that out with my Tresemme hyaluronic acid shampoo. I'll put a picture here because it's in the bathroom. And now my hair is perfectly prepped to apply this protein treatment. Let's get into this. Okay, so it definitely has like that spearmint type of scent. It just smells like a spa in a jar, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip one side of my hair up. And then I'm just going to spray it some more with water. There we go. All right, and let's take some of the products. So it doesn't feel sticky or like gooey or even like a gel. It just kind of feels like, Vaseline in a sense. It's applying really nicely, actually. You guys can see I'm able to finger detangle, and it's smoothing my cuticles at the same time. Okay, wow, this, okay, pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and 2-strand twist because you guys know I get the most definition when I do this, applying my like treatment mask products when I do smaller sections. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do this middle section, which is a thicker chunk of hair. So I definitely feel the smoothing effect from the treatment mask. The fact that I'm able to finger detangle and also my curls pop in. I guess from the rice water. You know what? That's what it kind of smells like. It smells like a sort of green tea, some kind of tea. But it smells really nice. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep applying this to the rest of my hair, and I'm also gonna turn on my heater because literally my fingers feel like icicles applying this. It's so cold. So I'm just gonna keep on applying this, but so far so good. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my plastic cap followed by my hot head and deep condition my hair for 30 minutes. After rinsing that out, these are my final results. My hair looks pretty good in the twist. You can see my curl definition seeping through. My hair feels soft, but I would say it's more so on the strengthening side. So just stay tuned to hear my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, so I finished rinsing out all of the pattern treatment masks from my hair, protein treatment. Can check that off the list for today's wash day. As far as how this product performed, you guys, my first impressions. So let's go back to the claims. The claims pretty much say that this is going to give you slip, curl elongation, and definition. So I would actually agree with all of the claims here. When I applied this, I felt the slip, like initially it gliding onto my hair. I didn't really have to try too hard to finger detangle. Elongation I also got as I started smoothing the product out. As far as with it rinsed out, I don't really know like if I still have the same elongation. Maybe in the back it does seem a little bit more elongated in the back, which I'm not sure why, but that's really the most elongation. I feel like every other part looks pretty normal after I rinse out a protein treatment. Curl definition was definitely something that I saw as well applying this. I think I captured one section, the front piece of my hair, and it was like very defined. I was rinsing this product out of my hair. I noticed that my hair sort of had a squeaky feeling when I was scrunching the product like out of my twist to rinse it fully. It definitely did feel more on the strengthening side as opposed to moisturizing, which makes sense because the rice water is, you know, high up on the ingredients list. Now I do just want to like take one twist out because I know since I started doing these twists you guys can't really truly see my hair, so let me just unravel one at least so that we can get a look of what my curls are doing and feeling like. Okay, so we do have the curls and the elasticity. You can see my curls are like bouncy and things, but I'm not feeling the moisture, you guys. I'm really not. I'm feeling strength. My hair feels strengthened. It does not feel moisturized. It feels like I need to add moisture at this point, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually apply this deep conditioner this wash day if I can get the jar open. First impression, I like it. Would I use it again? Yes. I'm curious to see like what my hair looks like at the end and once I style. So yeah, I would say this is AK approved. That is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you have tried this treatment mask from Pattern or any of their other masks. Let me know your thoughts. Feel free to share this video and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.